The Shared Views feature allows subscribers to publish views and get feedback from clients and stakeholders without sharing the actual DWG files. As a subscriber, you have access to Shared Views as soon as you sign in, and the Shared Views panel is accessible from the App menu or from the Collaboration tab. You can control what is being shared within the view. You can select which views to share, including 2D or 3D views, and choose whether to share the properties of the objects with the view. The views are generated locally in a background thread, which greatly improves the speed and allows you to keep working while you wait. Use a web browser to inspect the view in Autodesk Viewer, and get a link that you can email to a colleague. Only subscribers can create shared views, but anyone who is signed into their Autodesk account can add comments. This allows you to get valuable feedback while safeguarding your work. These comments will appear in the Shared Views panel in Desktop AutoCAD, making it easy to make updates and respond right from AutoCAD.